That was a great point. Bishop to c1 might actually be.
Yeah, it has been played.
Winning.
And yeah, all of this is on the board. Bishop c1, bishop c3, rook e4. I think maybe MVL is still sort of okay after bishop f6, rook g4, and then. But yeah, this is now kind of
It's
very unpleasant.
two-result game, I would say.
Yeah, you're losing the g5 pawn, and also very importantly, Hikaru is attacking it from a very safe square on g4, where his g2 pawn will be very safely protected.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this is holdable for black.
Right.
Like rook endgames always have very, very heavy drawing tendencies, but this is going to be a very problematic endgame for MVL at the very least.
I think he missed that when he played rook a1. He was prowling the first rank, but it just actually turned out to be a tactical nuance. He's missed it.
I think he got slightly over-optimistic. He could have chosen pretty much any other square where the rook doesn't get locked out, and I think he would have been okay. But
lots of moves have been made.
I don't know if he is okay at all, because White basically puts the rook on g4 and then starts threatening to.
Ali Reza just won his game against Sam Shanklin.
Big result.
Maintaining quite a furious pace.
Yeah, and in particular, if we look at this position and we recognize that MVL can only lose. MVL obviously is not really playing for a win here in a pawn down.
Firouzja is creating some separation between him and the other contenders.
Absolutely, yeah.
So something like check on c4, rook takes h4, and then rook to g4. Put the rook on g3, Peter, and bring the king to the h-pawn.
And then start running towards the... yeah, this would be a very solid setup with the
rook on g3.
With the rook specifically on g3 supporting the pawn on b3.
Is it winning, Christian? How are our engines?
It's just...
evaluating. I don't think it's winning. No, no. The engines are saying something along the lines of plus 1.3, and that generally means that you're not winning this one.
It's probably, yeah, those evaluations probably mean draw in actual chess parlance, but it's not a fun draw to be making. Yeah, rook g4, yeah. Take, play rook. Specifically what Yasser is saying, it's very, very important to have your rook on the third.
Exactly.
So that there is no immediate counterplay against the pawn on b3.
Exactly.
It sometimes becomes a race, but I think black probably is, yeah, he's doing it via a slightly different move order, but it's the same idea, yeah.
Yeah, put the rook on g3. Now you want to, with your king, cross over towards the h-pawn and try to escort your h-pawn while keeping the pawn on b3 protected.
My issue with this is that I would like right now to play king... Whoa, rook g5 check? What are we doing?
Oh no, big blunder by MVL.
Oh dear. This is just...
That's a problem.
That's
a problem.
End of game, yeah. b5.
Still one game to go, guys.
Which
Caruana
one?
versus Nepomniachtchi. Let's